First of all, before I go into this story, my heart goes out to Chimamanda Adichie and her family on the tragic loss of their baby boy. Very, very sad. 21 months old. No one should bury their child, let alone a baby. This is very, very, very sad news. And this happened a few days ago. Very, very sad. My thoughts, my wishes, my prayers goes out to her husband, and the entire family. Now, the point of this video, Chimamanda Adichie serves Euracare, what are they called? Yeah, hospital, legal notice. Yes, she has served them legal notice because there's a high likelihood that medical negligence took part, according to the statement that she put out a few days ago. And she's going for this hospital. She's saying, and she's quoting things from the medical director and etc., that the anesthesiologist, so the anesthesiologist is the person who puts people under. They put, when you go for an operation, say women are trying to have a baby or any kind of operation, they put the person under so that that person isn't awake when the procedure is about to start. So in this case, she took her baby. Baby was ill in Nigeria. So this happened in Nigeria. Baby was ill in Nigeria and they were due to fly the next day. And due to the illness, which has not been disclosed, they had to go to a hospital. They first went to one hospital, and then they now recommended that they go to Euracare because they have good facilities when it comes to pediatric care, which is literally taking care of children. So in this case, they went there, and according to the story, they needed to do an MRI scan as recommended by a hospital in the U.S. called Johns Hopkins University, and there was an issue of oxygen, and the anesthesiologist didn't put oxygen at some point, was carrying the baby on the shoulder instead of carrying the baby on a hospital bed to push the baby. And it appears that propofol, which incidentally was the same drug that killed Michael Jackson, an overdose of propofol was given to the child, and this led to a cardiac arrest, and it was difficult to resuscitate the child, and unfortunately this child lost his life. And that is the basis of the legal notice, and monitoring wasn't done. So apparently they left the baby unattended to for minutes. When you put somebody under, you have to be with them throughout. There's no I want to go. So if you need to go somewhere, somebody else has to be with the person. This is an adult, let alone a child. Let alone a child. So Euracare has come out, they've denied any wrongdoing, as you would imagine. This is going to go to court. This is going to be messy. And again, I condole with her and her family. It's a trying time, it's a difficult time, and it's going to take her a very long time. Even if possible, she might not be able to get over this. And all the people who are responsible for this should pay. They should pay. Sad, sad story.